I want to get into light schedules. So you already talked about how the autoflowers can stay on the same light schedule. What is the ideal light schedule though? A lot of people doing 18 hours with lights on, 6 hours off. Some people 20 hours with lights on, 4 hours off. Some people do it continuous, 24 hours with the lights on, 0 off. Is that better? What light schedule do you personally recommend? And also, if you can get into types of light, right? Are you talking about like a full spectrum LED light? Is that going to be better than your traditional HPS, like the MH, HPS combo, or what?
Yeah, that's now a philosophy with autoflowers and light cycles, right? So when I like back in the day, I was just because they really don't give a damn that much, really. Like, I mean, I used to have fantastic results with having a 7-1 schedule. Isn't that funny? Because they were recommending my light to be turned off never on longer than 8 hours. So I only let it run 7 hours, had it an hour off, 7 hours, had it an hour off, 7 hours. I'm away from that. But yeah, it's hard to say. It's really, really hard to say. Autos love light, but everybody needs some sleep sometimes. So no matter what schedule you go, I would give them, just out of kindness, give them some rest sometimes, right? So, but then again, I'm talking about Kenamatos. He runs 24/7, I'm pretty sure, and he's growing pound autos there. So like, not true. I would suggest to run, if you don't care about electricity bill, I would not just run an 18/6 light schedule, I personally. But the amount you get more out of it, or better, the time you will be faster with running like a 24 or even a 22/2 or something like that, or even a 24/0 is not, it is not justified by spending that money. And we all know how expensive, electricity is by now. And if we're already talking about maximizing yield, we probably want to try to keep the ratio of the amount of money we spend to what will we get out in the end at a reasonable level. So my last run for the Autoflower World Cup was, I was running them 24/7 for 6 weeks or something like that. And after 6 weeks, I got them down to like, I think like 19.5, something like that. So you see, I prefer towards the end of flower to amp up the light, to really give them, even maybe hang an extra light in there, what you said, like maybe even hang an HPS on top of it, right? Basically just fry them with light, but to give them some breaks in between, while in the vegetative phase, they really don't give a damn in the end, to be honest with you, unless you start going less than 18/6, don't go like, like 12/12 or 14/10, or we can keep on doing that. I wouldn't go under the 18/6 ever, for no reason, other than if you believe in this theory, you want to shut the lights off the last 2 days before, you harvest them. But I've never really seen any much of a difference in that.
This clip is brought to you by AC Infinity. Use discount code MrGrow at 15 to save on any of their products.